Hi, I'm Hanbit, and I'm a pastry chef from Korea. Hi everybody, it's Hanbit here. 안녕하세요, 저 한bit입니다. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make amazing blueberry cupcakes. And in this blueberry cupcake, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to carve the center out and add the blueberry buttercream inside and also pipe on top of the cupcake. And that way you'll have an amazing cross section as well as adding more blueberry flavor to your cupcake. Well, why don't we start right away? Let's go through the ingredients. So here I've got room temperature butter. I'm going to use the creaming method. So I'm going to have all the ingredients at room temperature. Sugar, whole eggs, plain yogurt, milk, and vanilla extract. I've added both milk and plain yogurt to this cupcake recipe to keep it moist and soft. And finally, cake flour and baking powder. First, I'm going to smooth the butter. I'm going to add the sugar and mix it. And this is what we call creaming. And I'm going to mix it until the color lightens up. Great, now it's time to add in the eggs. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a scoop of the dry ingredients. And that's going to help prevent this mixture from splitting or separating when you add in the eggs. Now I'm going to add the eggs in several additions. Great, now I'm going to add in all the rest of the ingredients and mix them. Great, look at that, it's mixed well. It's shiny and smooth, and that's what you want from your finished batter. Now I'm going to pipe this batter into my cupcake pan. Right now I'm going to bake this in the preheated oven. The cupcake has been nicely baked, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the buttercream, and I'm going to make blueberry buttercream. How to do that is you just need butter, smooth room temperature butter, and blueberry jam. The blueberry jam can be store-bought or homemade, and in this case today I'm using store-bought blueberry jam. It's just a matter of adding it in and mixing them together. Great, there's my buttercream, and I'm going to use it to pipe it inside and on top of the cupcake. I'm going to carve out the center of the cupcake and then add in the buttercream, the blueberry buttercream, and then pipe on top. Right now, I'll try this blueberry cupcake. Look at the cross section. You have the blueberry buttercream inside the cupcake. The cupcake is soft and the blueberry buttercream simply melts in your mouth. It's just delicious. By the way, if you wish to learn more about cupcakes, please check out our cupcake online class. You'll be able to learn 12 amazing cupcake recipes that would greatly expand your repertoire. Well, how was it? I'm sure many of you love cupcakes, so please give it a go. And I'm sure many of you love blueberries as well. So please try it, and I'll come back next time with another amazing recipe. Thank you very much. 감사합니다. For more YouTube videos, please click here. If you want to take a step further with your baking and pastry, then please visit my website on www.hanbitshow.com. Thank you very much. 감사합니다.